Hey there! Are you an adventure enthusiast or a nature lover? Do you like to explore new territories and experience the great outdoors? If yes, then you know that having the right survival gear can make all the difference in a life or death situation. That's why we have put together a list of 7 must-have survival gear and gadgets that you should consider packing on your next adventure. All the links to purchase this survival gear are given in the description below. So, feel free to check them out if you are interested. Let's get started. Looking for a compact and versatile tool to sharpen your pocket knife and help you survive in the great outdoors? Look no further than the SHARPAL 6-in-1 pocket knife sharpener and survival tool. With its 6 functions, including tungsten carbide blades for sharpening, diamond rods for honing, and a fire starter, this tool is perfect for anyone who needs a sharp knife while on the go. It can quickly sharpen a dull knife, saving time and effort in the field. The fire starter is also a useful addition, ensuring that you can start a fire in any situation. Overall, the SHARPAL pocket knife sharpener is a high-quality and reliable tool that any outdoor enthusiast or survivalist should consider adding to their gear collection. When it comes to emergency preparedness, having a reliable shelter can be a matter of life and death. The Go Time Gear Life Tent is an excellent option for anyone looking for a lightweight and durable emergency shelter. This tent is designed to be lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry in a backpack or car. It's made of durable materials that can withstand extreme weather conditions, and it's easy to set up with no additional tools required. This tent can accommodate up to 2 adults and comes with reflective material that makes it easy to spot from a distance. Overall, the Go Time Gear Life Tent is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to be prepared for emergencies while on the go. If you are someone who enjoys spending time in nature or want to be prepared for emergencies, then EILIKS survival gear is a great option. This kit includes a variety of essential tools, including a survival knife, emergency blanket, flashlight, and whistle, among others. The tools are made of high-quality materials and are compact enough to fit in a backpack or car trunk. The survival gear kit is easy to use and comes with clear instructions on how to use each tool. The kit also includes a tactical pen that can be used for self-defense. Overall, the EILIKS survival gear kit is an excellent investment for anyone who wants to be prepared for unexpected emergencies while enjoying outdoor activities. Whether you are camping, hiking, or simply exploring, having the right tool on hand is crucial. That's where the Pudhoms Survival Shovel Multi-Tool comes in. Made from high-quality materials, this versatile tool functions as a shovel, hoe, saw, and even a bottle opener. The ergonomic design allows for comfortable use, and the compact size makes it easy to carry in a backpack. The added features such as the whistle, fire starter, and wrench make this tool even more useful in emergency situations. Overall, the Pudhoms Survival Shovel Multi-Tool is a reliable and durable piece of equipment that is perfect for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. It is a great investment for anyone who values preparedness and wants a high-quality tool that can withstand the elements. If you are an outdoor enthusiast, you know the importance of having the right tool on hand. The Sahara Sailor Survival X is a versatile and durable piece of equipment that can make your outdoor adventures safe and more enjoyable. With its compact size and lightweight design, this X is easy to carry with you whenever you go. One of the standout features of this X is its multifunctionality. It can be used for a variety of tasks, including chopping wood, clearing brush, hammering stakes, and opening bottles. The high-quality materials used in its construction ensures that it can withstand even the toughest conditions. Whether you are camping, hiking, or just exploring the great outdoors, the Sahara Sailor Survival X is a reliable and useful tool to have on hand. If you are someone who enjoys spending time outdoors, whether it's hiking, camping, or traveling, the Jueachy Tactical Backpack is a great option that comes with a high-quality and functional backpack designed to keep up with your adventurous lifestyle. With its high-quality construction and ample storage space, This backpack can withstand even the toughest conditions and keep your gear organized. The mold system allows you to attach additional pouches and accessories, while the adjustable straps and vest belt ensures a comfortable fit, while the durable materials and strong zippers keep your gear safe and secure. Whether you are heading out on a day hike or a week-long camping trip, the Jueachy Tactical Backpack is a reliable and durable option that can keep up with your adventurous lifestyle. Whether you are an avid outdoors person or just want to be prepared for unexpected events, the Tenergy Multifunctional Hand Crank Weather Radio, compact and versatile emergency radio that is perfect for outdoor activities and survival situations. The radio features a hand crank that can be used to generate power, as well as a solar panel and a rechargeable battery. It can receive AM or FM radio signals and NOAA weather alerts, and even has a built-in flashlight and a USB port for charging other devices. Overall, the Tenergy Multifunctional Hand Crank Weather Radio is a must-have for anyone who spends time outdoors or lives in an area prone to natural disasters. So that was all about the 7 must-have survival gear and gadgets. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up, as we always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications about our latest videos. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and we'll see you in the next video.